Hi, I'm Andrew. In the next part of our series on doing things with mesh, we're going to look at a really simple and easy way to install it on a fence. It's not rocket scientist, but so many people get it wrong. So let's just have a quick look at what I recommend we do. We've done this for quite a long time. The objective is to get it nice and taut, so when people are driving past, it looks smooth, it looks clean, and as crease free as possible. This of course depends on the fence that you're putting it on. So how we like to start is, as we've got one we prepared earlier. We've got a corner here. We've put a double cable tie on. Would recommend using rated cable ties. So these particular ones are 7.6 mil at 55 kilos. So we have two cable ties here. We then, Charlotte, if I grab another. We'll work towards one end here. Okay, so we're just going to work our way along here. We'll put the cable ties on here. So there's two objectives in putting this on. You want this nice tight, you want it tight down the bottom. So then once you've got this edge sorted, you can move down and roll down one way and tensioning. Then you come back at the end and you tension the bottom to give it that really smooth finish. But this is just a good start, and it's all about having this first bit tight.